Good morning. In the e-learning class organized by Modern English School Nevada, I am Sunil Kumar Verma, math teacher. Today I am going to start revision chapter integers. There are various types of numbers. First, natural number or counting numbers are called natural numbers. Example: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. Second, whole number. Which number is count by 0 is called whole number. Examples: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Now we define integers. Natural number, you are all counting number 0 with negative are called integers. As for example, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Examples of positive integers is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Example of positive integers equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Similarly, examples of negative integers is equal to -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. Property of addition of integers. First, closure property of addition: the sum of two integers is always an integer. Second, commutative law of addition: if a and b are any two integers, then a plus b is equal to b plus a. Third property, associative law of addition: if a, b, c are any three integers, then a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. That is for existence of additive identity. For any integer a, we have a plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a is equal to a. 0 is called the additive identity for integers. Five properties and steps of additive inverse. For any integers a, we have a plus in a small bracket minus a is equal to in a small bracket minus a plus a is equal to 0. The sum of an integers and its opposite is 0. Property of subtraction of integers. First, closure property for subtraction. If a and b are any two integers, then we have a minus b is always an integer. As for example, 2 minus 5 is equal to 2 plus minus 5 is equal to minus 3. Second, subtraction of integers is not commutative. Example, 3 minus 5 is equal to 3 plus minus 5 is equal to minus 2. But 5 minus 3 is equal to 5 plus minus 3 is equal to 2. Hence, 5 minus 5 does not is equal to 5 minus 3. Third, subtraction of integers is not associative. Example, 3 minus 4 minus 5 is equal to 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. And 3 minus 4 minus 5 is equal to 3 minus 4 plus 5 is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. And 3 minus 4 minus 5 does not equal to 3 minus 4 minus 5. Exercise 1. Question number 1. Evaluate 15 plus minus 8 is equal to 15 plus minus 8 is equal to 7. Answer. Third question first. Minus 7 plus minus 23 is equal to minus 30. Answer. Second type question. Find the sum of 153 and minus 302 is equal to 153 plus minus 302 is equal to 153 minus 302 is equal to minus 12 less 3, 9, 9 less 5, 4, 2 less 1, 1. 149 with negative sign. Answer. Question number 4 is equal to minus 238 plus 500 is equal to 10 less 8 is equal to 2, 9 less 3 is equal to 6, 4 less 2 is equal to 2 with positive sign. Answer. Number 3. First, to find the additive inverse of minus 83. Write the additive inverse of minus 83 is equal to 83. Additive inverse of the additive inverse of 0 is 0. Question number 4. Subtract 28 from minus 42. So we write first minus 42 minus 28 is equal to 8 plus 2 10 0 carry 1 4 plus 2 6 1 7 with negative sign answer. Third type question minus 37 from minus 53 minus 53 minus 37 is equal to minus 53 minus plus 37 is equal to 7 plus 3 10 0 carry 1 5 plus 3 minus 37 from minus 53 is equal to minus 53 minus 37 is equal to minus 53 minus plus 37 is equal to minus, because here written number with negative sign, so with negative sign answer. Minus 30 less 7 is equal to 6, 4 less 3 is equal to 1. So minus 16 is answer. Question number 5. Subtract the sum of minus 1032 and 878 from minus 87. From minus 87. Question number 5. Subtract the sum of minus 1032 and 878 from minus 34 is equal to, first to find the sum, minus 1032 plus 878 is equal to minus 12 less 8 4, 12 less 7 5, 9 less 8 1, minus 154. Now we write subtract minus 154 from minus 34. Minus 34 minus 154 is equal to minus 34. Minus into minus plus 154 is equal to 120 answer. Here 120 answer with positive sign because 154 is greater than minus 34. Question number 10. If A is equal to minus 8, B is equal to minus 7, C is equal to 6, verify that A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Here using property is the associative law of addition. So we write first LHS. Left hand side is equal to A plus B plus C is equal to, now putting the value of A is equal to minus 8, B is equal to minus 7, C is equal to 6 in left hand side. Minus 8 plus minus 7 plus 6 is equal to minus 8 minus 7 plus 6 is equal to minus 50 plus 6 is equal to minus 9. Similarly, we have RHS, right hand side is equal to A plus B plus C is equal to, here putting the value of A, B and C, minus 8 plus -7 plus 6 is equal to -8 plus minus plus -1 is equal to -8 -1 is equal to -9 -9 is equal to -9 इसीलिए LHS is equal to RHS verified number 11 if A equal to -9 B equal to -6 so that A minus B does not equal to B minus A. LHS we have LHS is equal to A minus B. Now putting the value of A and B. Here write -9 minus -6 is equal to -9 plus 6 is equal to -3. Now RHS is equal to we have B minus A is equal to -6 minus -9 is equal to -6 plus 9 is equal to 3. -3 does not equal to 3. LHS does not equal to RHS. A minus B does not equal to B minus A. So, question number 14. The difference of an integer A and -6 is 4. Find the value of A. In solution we write A minus -6 is equal to 4. In this slide A plus 6 is equal to 4. A is equal to 4 minus 6 is equal to -2 answer.